In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a neon blade trending video on TikTok in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. If you've been seeing this style all over your feed and wondering how creators are making those eye-catching edits, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is import your media into the media pool. This is where you bring in the photos or video clips you want to use for your neon blade edit. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping your files directly into the media pool or by using the import option, depending on the software you're working with. Once your media is loaded, take a moment to make sure everything is organized and ready to use. After that, go to the template section. This is where you'll find pre-made effects and trending styles that make the editing process much easier. In the search bar, type Neon Blade. This will help you quickly locate the exact template style you want to use without scrolling through everything manually. Now, this part is very important. When the results appear, look for a template without the gem icon. The gem icon usually means the template is pro, so if you want to use a free option, make sure you choose one without that icon. There are often several similar templates available, so pick the one that matches the look you want best. Once you've chosen a template, drag and drop it into the timeline. This places the effect into your project and gets everything ready for customization. After it's in the timeline, click on the template. When you do that, you'll see the placeholders pop up. These placeholders are the spots where your own media will go, so this is the point where the template starts becoming your own custom video. Now all you need to do is drag your media into the placeholders. Match each clip or image to the correct placeholder so the animation and timing look clean and professional. If the template has multiple slots, fill them in one by one until everything is set. Once your media is in place, play it back and check how it looks. If needed, make small adjustments so the timing and visuals line up properly. And that's it. You've now created a neon blade trending video for TikTok using a template-based workflow. It's one of the easiest ways to make content that looks polished, modern, and ready to go viral without spending hours editing from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.